Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetarian ramen broth. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of sliced mushrooms, 1 large carrot, and 1 onion roughly chopped. These form the aromatic foundation. Also, prepare a 4-inch piece of kombu and a handful of dried shiitake mushrooms. These are crucial for that deep, savory umami flavor. Make sure your largest pot is clean and ready, along with plenty of fresh, filtered water. This simple preparation sets us up for success. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of neutral oil in your large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped carrots, onions, and mushrooms, and sauté them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften slightly and release their aromas. This step is key to bringing out their natural sweetness. Next, add the kombu and dried shiitake mushrooms directly into the pot. Finally, pour in 8 cups of cold water, making sure all the ingredients are completely submerged. This cold start helps extract maximum flavor. With your ingredients in the pot, bring the water to a very gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Just as it begins to bubble, carefully remove the kombu. Leaving it in too long can make your broth bitter. Now, reduce the heat to low and let your broth simmer gently for about 30 to 45 minutes. This allows all those wonderful vegetable and mushroom flavors to meld beautifully. Once simmering is complete, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on the solids to extract every last drop of that delicious liquid. You're almost there. Your rich, savory vegetarian ramen broth is now ready. Taste it and adjust the seasoning. I recommend starting with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of mirin, then adding a pinch of salt if needed. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. Serve this incredible broth piping hot with your favorite ramen noodles, fresh vegetables, and any other toppings you love. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.